A group of visibly angry young men gathered around a small church in Raipur, vandalizing property, raising slogans, creating mayhem. And this is what they left behind. Broken musical instruments, a damaged ceiling fan, instilling fear in the minds of the men, women and little children present there.
पूरे तरफ भवन में घेराव कर लिए थे, ऊपर छत में भी डंडा मारे थे और डंडा भी पकड़े थे, लंबा लंबा चाकू भी पकड़े थे और 2-3 जने को तो ऐसे बोल रहे थे तुम लोग को अभी जिंदा काट दूंगा ऐसे करके, यहाँ दोबारा आओगे तो तुम लोग को पूरा सबको मार डालूंगा ऐसे बोल के सब बोल रहे थे.
Times Now crew went to the nondescript locality of Shankar Nagar on the outskirts of Raipur to find out what led to the attack.
At around 11 a.m. on Sunday, there was a small prayer meeting going on inside this church, roughly attended by, say, around 35 to 40 people. It was around 11 a.m. when this prayer meeting was going on that around 35 to 40 vandals, they came, they just attacked, raised slogans and broke every bit of furniture that was lying inside this church. क्या आप बता सकते हैं कल क्या हुआ, किस तरह से यहाँ पे अटैक हुआ?
कल यहाँ पर सवेरे 11 बजे के आसपास में सारे लोग आए और वो जय श्री राम के नारे लगा रहे थे और इस तरह से नारे लगाते हुए अंदर में घुसे और उन्होंने फिर घुसते साथ में ही जो यहाँ पर जो लोग बैठे हुए थे उन सबको मारना, पीटना और उनके साथ में दुर्व्यवहार करना.
क्या रहे थे वो, क्यों इस तरह की हरकत कर रहे थे?
उन्होंने अपने विजन को हमें तो कुछ बताया नहीं और इस तरह से नारे लगाए थे, अपने मुंह पर काली काली मैंने पीले वाले गमछे बांध कर लोग आए हुए थे.
It was in this one room church yesterday that around 35 to 40 people had come for a prayer meeting. They were sitting inside this small hall when they were attacked by around 35 to 40 vandals, and this is what is of these musical instruments left. In fact, the vandals broke every bit of furniture that was here inside this small one-room church. This is left. Remaining part of furniture has been taken by police into their own custody. When this vandalism happens, what does the police do? Do they protect? I mean, what is the action taken by the police?
The whole attack is done under the aegis of the police. The moment they come well prepared. Police is already with them, and the police themselves started beating and vandalizing our churches in many places, for which we have got recorded evidence as one thing. And second thing, immediately what the police will do is first come, arrest the pastor and 3 or 4 vocal persons over there and put them in the jail under section 151 that we are disturbing the communal harmony.
As community leaders raise concerns over the rising number of attacks, the centre stepping in, assuring strict action against the vandals.
एक्शन लिया है, वहाँ का प्रशासन ने यहाँ से जानकारी लिया कि वो एक्शन भी ले लिया है और जो भी उस पे दोषित है उस पे कार्रवाई होगा.
In this particular case, the police have registered a case, and not just have they registered a case, they have also arrested 9 people, and of these 9 people, 8 are minors. With Vijay Pankaj Dwivedi, Hemendra Sharma, Times Now, Raipur.